Okay, I can't get off my call yet, so I just paused it really quickly, or I put it on mute so I can make you this video. I am in your instructor resource account. So you could actually, if you linked, you did link MindTap through Canvas, you can enter it through your link in Canvas that says Cengage, but you can also now access it through here. So if I go to my manage courses right here, I'm going, the ones with the URLs you don't want to use and you don't want students to use because you have linked those courses. Essentially, you've created a copy of it and you've linked it. So what you're going to do is, this is the linked course because it says through your LMS. You'll click right here and then you can get into the linked course right through this way. Now I'm seeing that it looks like you have chapter 1, some of these things that are already due. So that's why they're closing out. That was already, you already had submitted, put a due date in. So click your edit tab on here, anywhere that has that August 21st, which I think all of these are here. Oh, that's August 22nd, but these two are the 21st. You go to edit here and you can select a new due date. And then you would save. So that is the easy fix for what's happening right now. It just looks like you set the due dates. Let me look at your chapter 2. You set the due dates. Okay, those are, so you just had set those due dates and might have been, so you can look through these and see which ones if you want to fix those due dates, but the 21st is passed, and so students didn't get into it by then. It means that it's due and they can't get into it. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I suggest maybe we could get on a screen share on Monday. I might be on campus. I'm not sure if I'm at that campus. No, I don't think Monday I am, but I can be on campus. Let me know if this helps. Okay, bye-bye.